Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today, I'm going to show how to make this beautiful video animated title slide. And yes, this slide can be made just by doing 2 to 3 steps. And then you are ready with this beautiful and amazing PowerPoint presentation. So, without any further delay, let's get into this video and start making this presentation. So first of all, let us take a new blank presentation. And now we need a video. So we will go to insert, and here you have an option of inserting a video from the media tab. So we'll go to video, and there are multiple options. So either you insert from stock videos, online videos, or this device. So I've downloaded the required video from the internet. So you can also download it from there and then use it, or you can directly insert the video from stock videos according to your theme. So I'll just go to this device and then I'll select the required video. And now, as soon as you insert the video, you have the video format tab open. And in the corrections, you can adjust the brightness and contrast of this video. So the video is like this. So now let us add a shape over here. So let me go to insert shape and let's add a rectangle like this. Go to shape fill, let us select white color and in shape outline, no outline. So this was the second step, and now the third step is to add a text box. So we will go to insert a text box and let me write travel. You can write according to your theme. Now I'll increase the size and let me take Aroni font. So I'll move this text box in the center and let us take white color of this text. Now I will first select the text box and by holding shift button I'll select the rectangle. Then I will go to shape format and in the insert shape option we have the shape merging option. So you can here subtract, intersect, combine everything you wanted to do. So I'll select combine. So this is how we completed the next step, and for the last step let me show you how it looks. So if I go to slideshow, it won't stop playing automatically. I need to go to this button and play this video. So to enable that, so let us first go to playback option by selecting the video, and here you have an option when to start. So you can select automatically, and where the video stops, let us say this video has duration of 23 to 24 seconds, then the video or presentation will be stopped. So if you want that this presentation should play in the loop until we press escape or stop button, then you need to click on this button, loop until stopped. And now you are done with the presentation. So let us go to slideshow and see what we have made. So I hope you like this video and hit that subscribe button as well as share this video with your friends. For more videos like this, do visit our channel and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.